It's again a beautiful day. Sun is shining bright in Ireland. Let's go see what this sound was all about. What's good? It is 2 a.m. in the morning here. So my neighbors are quiet so I can record well. This sound, I'm not really sure how to record it because it's a very small sound, but it's a very famous sound if you've ever been to ikea. It's a really great product. That's about it. See ya. Someone watching this, maybe you are the winner of this sound. We know that most of you are not getting it right, but don't worry, there's a new sound every time it gets guessed. So the next one might be you. Maybe next time I'm saying hi, it's actually you who guessed the sound correctly. So let's keep trying. Just as in life, it's all about keeping swimming. Comment and subscribe and get 4 lives.